thought about what futuristic gadgets could transform your daily life? In this video, we're sharing top tech treasures that are not just cool, but game changers. From a cinema in your backpack to a whiteboard that brings your walls to life, get ready to be amazed. Keep watching as we reveal these incredible innovations that you won't want to miss. Number 9. Capsule 3 Laser. If you're like me who enjoys both nature camping and movie nights, then this gadget is perfect for you. Picture this, a movie night under the stars with a portable laser projector. It's like having a cinema in your backpack. With 300 ANSI lumens laser light, it delivers stunning 1080p HD resolution, making every scene come to life with vibrant colors. But that's not all. This mini projector is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 2 pounds and 90% smaller than its peers, so you can take it anywhere. And the sound? It's like being in a theater thanks to the 8W Dolby Digital speakers. Plus, with Android TV 11.0 and Chromecast built-in, streaming your favorite shows is a breeze. And with a built-in battery lasting 2.5 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted entertainment, whether you're camping in the wilderness or having a movie marathon at home. Number 8. Hodo, the robotic drawing board. Meet Hodo, the world's first connected whiteboard that brings your walls to life with pen and ink. Imagine sending sketches, love notes, or to-do lists straight to your wall, turning your home into an ever-changing gallery. Hang Hodo on your wall like a picture frame, and watch as it transforms digital images and text into beautiful hand-drawn illustrations. It's not just another screen, it's a piece of art in itself. With its eraser and dock, Hodo's pen stays fresh and ready to create whenever inspiration strikes. And with the easy-to-use Hodo app, you can discover, create, and share your own unique jots with ease. Whether you're an artist, a planner, or just someone who loves a personal touch, Hodo brings a whole new level of creativity to your space. Number 7. Pluto Sensor-Controlled Safety Device. If you ever find yourself in trouble in open water, the Pluto Sensor-Controlled Swimming Safety Device has got your back, literally. This ingenious flotation aid automatically inflates when it detects danger, ensuring your head stays above water no matter what. Worn around your neck, it stays out of the way during your aquatic adventures, whether you're swimming leisurely or catching waves. But in an emergency, it's your silent hero. 2 concealed airbags spring into action, keeping you buoyant even if you're unconscious or in a panic. And here's the kicker. If your energy starts to fade, you can manually activate the floats for an extra boost. Lightweight and versatile, it's a game changer for both beginners and seasoned water enthusiasts alike, suitable for any water sport you can think of. Number 6. LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. This is how successful people describe clutter in the workplace. A simple search for a charger can turn into a headache. But fear not. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to LeMat. Introducing the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 Modern Organizer, your ultimate desk companion. Its magnetic design effortlessly attaches to any desk pad, keeping everything in its place. But wait, there's more. With 3 built-in USB ports and 2 cable holders, charging and tidying up have never been easier. And with fast charging capabilities, you'll be powered up in no time. Need more? The sensor lighting feature lets you customize brightness, while personalization options add a touch of flair. Plus, the integrated toolbar and wool surface material elevate your workspace to new heights. And don't forget the cherry on top, a built-in NFC tag for added convenience. Number 5. Mecha CD3. Introducing Mecha CD3, your ultimate audio companion. Crafted from top-notch alloy metal, Mecha CD3 boasts a robust frame and sleek mechanical design that blends style with functionality. Its intelligent dual mic noise reduction feature ensures crystal clear audio, allowing you to immerse yourself in your favorite tunes. Equipped with advanced 5.3 Bluetooth chip technology, Mecha CD3 delivers pristine sound quality and seamless connectivity across iOS, Android, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Say goodbye to audio lag and hello to uninterrupted listening pleasure. Experience audio like never before with Mecha CD3's 13-unit high-definition stereo speakers, creating an immersive 3-dimensional soundstage that brings your music to life. Plus, With intuitive touch controls, navigating your playlist is as easy as a tap of your fingertips. Number 4. Color Flame Fireplace. This air aroma diffuser transforms any space into a cozy oasis with its flickering flame light and soothing mist. With 7 flame light colors to choose from, you can create the perfect ambiance reminiscent of a crackling fireplace. Plus, it doubles as a humidifier, adding moisture to dry air for a more comfortable environment while you work or relax. Using ultrasonic technology, this diffuser atomizes water droplets with a 180 ml capacity, ensuring a whisper-quiet operation at just 25 dB. Enjoy up to 7 hours of continuous misting, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Need some extra relaxation? Simply switch on sleep mode to dim the flame light and ease stress away. Number 3. TickTime Pomodoro. This gadget can change your time management game forever. Meet the TickTime Pomodoro Timer Clock, your ultimate productivity companion. With 6 preset countdown times activated by a simple flip, and the flexibility to set custom countdowns with just 2 buttons, it's a game changer in efficiency. But wait, there's more. Switch between preset countdowns or count-up mode with ease, covering a wide time range from 0:01 to 99:59. Compact, magnetic, and rechargeable, the TickTime Pomodoro Timer Clock is designed for convenience, measuring a mere 9 1x1, 8x1, 7 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's portable enough to slip into your pocket or bag. Attach it to any steel surface with its magnetic base for hands-free tracking. Number 2. SpheroBolt Robot. More than just a robot, SpheroBolt is a gateway to creativity and learning. This programmable robot ball offers endless possibilities for fun while honing coding skills. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Bolt's advanced sensors and LED matrix provide a platform to unleash your imagination. Equipped with a compass, light sensor, gyroscope, and more, Bolt empowers users to explore the realms of programming and STEAM education. With the Sphero Edu app, you can design games, code with ease using drag-and-drop blocks or JavaScript, and share your creations with a vibrant community. But it's not just about coding. Bolt encourages hands-on learning through educational games and STEAM activities. Its durable design, long-lasting battery, and Bluetooth connectivity ensure hours of uninterrupted play, making it an ideal tool for at-home learning guided by parents. Number 1. Goat Story Mug. With a million coffee cups out there, finding the perfect one can be a challenge. But fear not, because Goat Mug is here to revolutionize your coffee game. Its unique horn-shaped design not only holds a generous 470 ml of your favorite brew, but also makes a bold style statement. Perfect for urban misfits who take their coffee seriously, this mug is a conversation starter wherever you go. But wait, there's more. Goat Mug isn't just stylish, it's practical too. With a set of 2 straps, carrying your coffee on the move is a breeze. Plus, the holder doubles as a stand, so you can easily place it on any flat surface without spills. And with its BPA-free and leak-proof design, you can enjoy your coffee without any worries. That's a wrap on our tech adventure today. If you're as excited about these gadgets as we are, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Tech AI for more cutting-edge discoveries. We'll see you in the next video where innovation meets reality. Over and out.